One of the most intense weather pattern is coming up for the central and eastern United States over the next couple of weeks, and it will be quite impressive for the very first time in the last few years, the whole eastern United States, including our area, will be under something that we call this a heat dome. Now the heat dome is an area of high pressure which usually do strong heating trap within the high pressure system, but instead of being a cold high pressure, it's gonna be a really hot one, which in fact, not talking about 80s, but talking about upper 90s, even 100 degrees every single day. And that is an exact track what we're gonna be watching here as we get throughout next week. But before we talk about that, I would also like to talk about this big hurricane which will also hit Florida, Alabama, may hit Texas, may hit the southeast coast of the United States. The hurricane has attracted and the potential for really big warm temperatures will be way impressive of a wacko. So we got a lot to talk about here, lots of information, so let's go. But before we talk about that, let's talk about what's going to happen in the short-term period. So this is today, and this is June 13th today, guys, and you can see it's going to all start with this low pressure system, 993 millibars, will be bringing down this cold front across the area, which will bring warm air up and this really cool air down. Sorry about this, but this will bring in this very big warm cold front and a little bit of a warm front status, because that's right, with the colder temperature we have last week, this warm versus cold will create some intense severe thunderstorms. In fact, even long track NCS are one the heat dome, guys, so this could be a wing of fire type for core of the heat dome, likely becoming visible this weekend into early next week, and this will likely continue throughout the end of June lately. So this is typically happens in August, September, October, but no, this is happening now, and that is not what it's supposed to be for this time of year. Work a warm temperatures, work a warm air, and that is just telling us that this summer will be a pit. So this will not be good. So here's take a look at the HRR model about the severe potential for today. And this is just for yesterday, so I have to change this to the 18Z model. There we go. So that's my latest futurecast. And then, as you can see, this is at 8 a.m. this morning. We will start by some showers and thunderstorms developing right across Michigan, guys. So we'll take a look at our area, which is central right here. This is what we're going to be taking a look at, which many of you guys live. So, and we got this storm coming through central Michigan. However, it's not going to stop there, because as we get throughout the heating hours of the afternoon, this storm will turn into this very big NCS type system, as it's going to be transferring from Wisconsin, Illinois, Missouri, and Michigan. And this will put east-southeast all the way throughout the next couple of hours from there. This is 4 p.m. and look at this, it doesn't stop there. 8 p.m. because this is going to be a cap type low pressure NCS, which means this cap will weaken and strengthen as this warmer cooler coming down. This will strengthen, causing some severe weather to firework in the sky type explosion. And you can see this is going to happen. So we got this NCS system, one across eastern Michigan, one across Lake Michigan, and then another thing is going to be across this Iowa type thing. And then this will all combine together to make this a 1-4 NCS as it transfers down to Indiana. But this doesn't stop there. This will continue to bring in the intense threat for some showers and some thunderstorms, especially this all night led to intense very strong winds, strong hail, and even a couple tornadoes as well. So this is what we're going to be watching. And it's not blaming on me for this, but on this future wind radar too. So you can see this is today 5 a.m. and you can see at like 1 p.m. Look how much wind is with this, guys. Just how much of this wind is with this on the wind radar. Like 5 p.m. this wind will be intense strong as it reaches onshore on the eastern and southeastern Lake Michigan. And this storm doesn't stop there. Look at this. This wind, potentially 60 at times, will reach all the way to Ohio across the western part of the area around 8 p.m. today. So this will be a big storm. I mean, not big like heavy rain type storm likely, but likely a big like windstorm across central and western United States. But look at this as it transfers east. This will dissipate, and then we got more winds coming in from the west, guys. So westerly winds, more of this winds is coming in from the west weekly with time as we get throughout the night. So probably tomorrow night probably into tonight will be probably gonna be the worst. So just don't go to sleep morally. Go to sleep with the phones with all these alerts on. Make sure you have your phone charged for tonight. Go to sleep, have the alerts on as high as it goes, or if you have a more radio, take this to bed with you, turn it on so you can hear this alert coming in, just to stay safe during this situation, guys. And last time that we ever had this, wow, it was back in August. In case you guys haven't remember, 12 tornadoes touched down in August. So this will kind of be like this as a probably last tornadoes, more like a wind threat here. So that's something that we really do need to watch for as we move on with this. And then as we go past this, there isn't really anything, but there will be like some showers and some more severe thunderstorms for central, eastern, and southeastern part of the U.S. for in our area for Friday. But this will all clear and set in done by Friday night. And we will have this one more wish before this oppressed heat wave blows up. And let me tell you, so this is a Euro marble, guys, or European marble. And let me just take this through here. Not only that we're seeing this strong storm going through Florida right now, but we're also going to be seeing this very strong heat wave coming through. So there's a very big heat wave right there. So this is on June 17. Look at this. This is a heat dawn, and that is a rain of fire right there, like storms pushing from southwest to northeast. So this is what's going to be bringing this really big high pressure system and very big heat dawn, while this cool air will be going down across the central and the western United States. So for those of you guys who live in eastern United States and around this area, be ready for some more severe weather as the heat dawn will be sent to you into the rain of fire. And the fun just doesn't stop there, guys. Here's take a look at the temperatures right now, guys. Across our United States, that means just skip that and look at what's coming, guys. Like every single day, we're getting this. Like June 16, June 17, look at this. 94, 96, 100 degrees starting on June 17, and the fun just doesn't stop there. It will heat up. June 18, June 19, 100 degrees, 102 for June 20th, 101 for June 21st. And look at this, and it just doesn't stop there. This will just continue until just gonna be continuing. Like this trough in the east, trough in the west, and trough in the east and wish in the west. Trough in the west and wish in the east. So we will call this a negative PNA, which will force all this heat dawn type low warm air up. Sorry about this weather turn, guys, but keep forgetting. But anyways, guys, look at this. So be ready, guys. Be ready to see if we see any of this heat alert thing. It's at the heat warnings, guys, for across our eastern part U.S. over the next several days. And that's not good too, because this will either set the stage for some more severe thunderstorms or set the stage for a hurricane, which this will interfere back off of Mexico. So we will let you know either of those ways once I get this more information about what my pay for is. whether it's going to be a hurricane or a big heavy severe thunderstorm. But as of now, this big storm will be boarded across the area next week throughout the next couple of weeks, and this will bring in the potential for a 100 degrees weather. So that is not good. So for those of you guys, please get ready for air conditioning, get ready for this heavy air conditioning thing, get ready to wear your hats when you're outside, get ready to wear sunscreen, get ready to basically just stay inside and just except for guys. So if you guys don't have air conditioning, so just get ready guys for this. I know this doesn't happen every year, but this is how summer goes. This is how below the earth look like. So, and don't blame it on me, blame it on the Storm Prediction Center. No, the Climate Prediction Center. So this is so that's the Climate Prediction Center right there. And then as you can see, this is a set to 6 to 10 days out, and you can see we're gonna be way above average temperature. So we're gonna be watching this one right here, as we're gonna be in way above average temperature right here, especially in the Great Lakes region, according to the Climate Prediction Center. And now let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. So this is for today. So let's get back to the short-term period. So this is today. You can see we got the slight risk for Northwest Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, and the enhanced risk, which is widespread severe thunderstorm for parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. As we reach through the severe thunderstorm day for tomorrow, we're going to be seeing this major, which is isolated chance, and the slight risk in two areas. One in Kansas, in Nebraska, and Colorado, and another one is up in the New England area. So this is it for this video guys. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. This is what type of big storms that will be coming in guys. So that will be coming. The most intense tropics, the heat wave, and some severe weather. Just keep your eye out on your phone over the next week or two, because this summer will be very oppressive. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel Behind the Weather Club so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Goodbye.